Hi friends, welcome to AIMS, the magical world of mathematics.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Last classes we studied arithmetic progression and nth term of arithmetic progression. Today we are going to discuss the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. That means the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or s is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Why we have two equations? Here the first term and the common difference will be given, and in the second case first term and last term will be given. So if you are provided by first term and common difference, you have to use s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and if you know first term and last term, then you have to use sum is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Let us do an example. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the arithmetic progression 8, 3, minus 2, etc. So from here we can find what is a. A is equal to 8. Then what is common difference d? D is equal to 3 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5, isn't it? And here we know that n is equal to 22. N is equal to 22. So from this we have to find the sum of the 22 terms. That means Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S22 is equal to n means 22 by 2 into 2 into a 2 into 8 plus n is 22, that is 22 minus 1 into d is minus 5, then which is equal to 22 by 2 is 11, then 8 into 2 is 16 plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into minus 5, then which is equal to 11 into, we have to multiply first, that means 21 into minus 5, that is 16 minus 21 into 5 is 105. So that is equal to 11 into 105 minus 16, 95, 89, that is minus 89, which is equal to minus of, then 89 into 11. So first we have to write 9. Then 9 plus 8 is 17. We have to write 7. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. 979. So the sum of the first 22 terms of this arithmetic progression is minus 979. Second question. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. From the question, it is given that sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050. That means S14 is equal to 1050. And its first term is 10. And its first term is 10 means A is equal to 10. We have to find the 20th term. So, we know that the equation, what is the equation of sum of terms? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is S14, isn't it? So that is 1050 is equal to 14 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus n we know, that is 14 minus 1 into common difference we don't know. So 1050 is equal to 7 into 2 into 10 is 20, then plus 14 minus 1, that is 13, 13d. So which is equal, here 7 in this side, 7 is there, when it is coming to left hand side it will become division, that is 1050 divided by 7 is equal to 20 plus 13d. So here we can cut, that is In 10 there are 1 times, then 35 5 times, 0. 150 is equal to 20 plus 13d. So 13d is equal to 150 minus 20, that is equal to 130. So from this, what is d? D is equal to 130 divided by 13, which is equal to 10. Isn't it? So what we have to find? Find the 20th term. So to find the 20th term, A20 is equal to A plus 19 into D. So which is equal to A is 10 plus 19 into common difference is 10, which is equal to 10 plus 190, which is equal to 200. So the 20th term of an term is 200. 20th term is 200. Next question. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18, etc. must be taken so that their sum is 78? So from the question, what we know? A is equal to 24. Common difference B is equal to 21 minus 24, which is equal to minus 3. Then sum is given, Sn is equal to 78. We have to find n. So what we know? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is 78 is equal to n by 2. N we don't know. N by 2 into 2a, 2 into 24, plus n we don't know, n minus 1 into d is minus 3. So which is 78 into 2. So here the division. So when it is coming to left hand side, it becomes multiplication. That is n into 2 into 24 is 48 plus minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Then minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. That is 156 is equal to n into 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. So which is 156 is equal to 51n minus 3n square. So 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. That means we have to find solve this quadratic equation to find the value of n. So here we can use splitting the middle term. So before that we can cancel all the 3's, isn't it? So here if we cancel 3 from all the number, that means n square minus 51. How many 3's are in 51? That is 17. N plus 156, how many? 52 is equal to 0. So now we can solve by splitting the middle term. So here we have to split minus 17. Before that we know product is equal to 52 and sum is equal to minus 17. So we have to get two numbers so that the product should be 52 and sum should be minus 17. Then what will be the numbers? Then 13, we can take one number as A is equal to 13, then B will be 4. 13 into 4 is 52. Then here both sum is minus, so we have to take both as minus. So this equation will become n square minus 4n minus 13n plus 52 is equal to 0. So here n we can take common, n into n minus 4 minus 13 into n minus 4 is equal to 0. Then here n minus 4 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 4 or n is equal to 13. We get n is equal to 4 or n is equal to 13. Therefore, we know that their number of terms is 4 or 13.
Please subscribe the channel if you have not done it. For notifications, click on the bell icon. Like, comment and share if you enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching.